Welcome, dear friends. We are moving to the last chapter in business studies, international business. You know very well, we started from the chapter trade, commerce, industry. So, trade is classified into two, home trade and foreign trade. So, in this module and last chapter, we are learning more about international business and what are the benefits of international business, what are the different types of materials or documents needed for doing import and export business. So first of all, we have to learn about what is international business. You know very well, when trade occurs between two different nations, two different countries or peoples of two different countries, organizations of two different countries, then it is known as international business or foreign trade. So, international business comprises, it includes all commercial transactions that take place between two or more regions, countries and nations beyond their political boundaries. So this type of trade is very essential due to some reasons. Like, so international business is very important for some countries, developing countries. So what is the reasons we have to look at? First point, diversity and unequal distribution of natural resources warrants such dependence. Diversity and unequal distribution of natural resources means importing and exporting of natural resources between two different countries warrants such depends between two different nations. And also abundant resource facilities, large scale production of certain goods which are sent to other parts of the world. So from Kerala, we can deals with lot of products or local products we can export or import. Exporting is one facility, one side of international business. So that is possible. Exporting of local goods to yet another part of another country is possible. Then availability of various factors of production like labor, capital and raw materials which are required for the production of goods and services differ among countries. So we can bring the efficient labors from other countries. Also, we can collect raw materials from other country. We can sell raw materials to other countries and to produce select goods and services in which they are best. That is another opportunity of international business. It provides opportunity to select goods and services which are best for earning more profit. So the importance of international business include it leads to international specialization and division of labor. So organizations which are working as joint venture with the foreign countries organizations can collect maximum labors from that foreign country. It enables a country to dispose surplus goods in exchange for scarce ones. Suppose there will be a lot of goods which are scarce in our country, which can be collected by giving excess goods in our country. It maintains price stability across the world. So, international business helps for maintaining price stability all around the world. It paves the way for better relation among the nations. So, best example is joint venture. When we gives hands with another foreign country's company, so we can access the opportunities available in that country's companies and technologies, currency, raw material, lot of we can access. It provides great employment opportunities. So normally when one company starts business in India and they are having branch in foreign countries, so lot of employment opportunities comes there. So workers having high ability, language skills can go to the foreign company. It earns international business helps to earn more foreign exchange, more foreign currency. You know very well, we are getting more national income only due to the coming of foreign currency. It increases the standard of living of the people all around the world. It helps for increasing the standard of living of people all around the world. So these are the importance of international business. Next, we have to learn about the scope of international business. So the first one is merchandise exports and imports. So the international business provides opportunity for merchandise export and imports, which involves tangible goods and excludes services. So merchandise means merchandise of buying and selling of goods. It is possible through international business. Then service export and imports. Not only the tangible goods, intangible services, intangible product means the service also exported and imported through international business. And also it provides opportunity for licensing and franchising. We will learn in detail the concept licensing and franchising later. So it provides opportunity to open a branch of foreign country in India, licensing and franchising, and also it provides to opportunity to collect lot of amount of foreign investment in our country's company. So foreign direct investment. So lot you know very well the example of smart city in Kochi. So there lot of companies are there, and in that companies maximum investment is by the foreigners. So it will give more employment opportunity and also for the opportunity for the development of our nation. So the role of international business is unavoidable one in our country. So we have to learn the concept of international business in detail. While we are doing some business, we have to know more by because it gives lot of opportunity to earn maximum profit. So these are regarding the basics related to international business. So hope the concepts are very clear for you. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more, just watch the video again and again. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and to share the video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you.